Hello. This is Costas, and I'm gonna show you very fast how you can secure your Gravity Forms, like the one I'm using over here. You see, when you're using and you create Gravity Forms, you can secure them with reCAPTCHA, even the invisible reCAPTCHA. But in many cases, people find ways to send their spam, okay? And what I noticed is that people can use these fields and add links. And you know that you can avoid adding links to this to comments, but people keep sending links over here and making their message to look normal. So avoiding to have a blacklist to your email server and have other problems, it's a good idea to see how easily you can use the code that I'm gonna provide now and avoid having this kind of trouble. You're gonna have to install let me show you. You're gonna have to install snippets. Okay, snippets over here. I'm gonna go here to plugins and just show you that it's very easy to download this free to use plugin. Okay, you're gonna have just to to come here and click add plugin. And you're gonna have to write here snippet. Okay, and you're gonna have this plugin that I told you before, snippets, over here. You see, it's this one called snippets, and you can just install it. I'm gonna just update it at the moment. No need to do anything else. So using this plugin, it's a very good idea to be able to use to add code and be able to add easily code or disable the code or test any kind of code to your WordPress installation. For now, what I'm gonna show you is to prevent links in all fields of form number 9. Okay, this form that I showed you over here, it's the one with the ID number 9. So what I'm adding here, it's this one. It's just blocking. You see here, it adds a filter for gform field validation. Okay, I'm gonna just take my music a little bit down, and so that you're able to listen to what I'm explaining here. It's you add a filter over here, validation filter for the form with the ID 9, and we just name this filter to block URLs except email. So you see here that this one is gonna check all the fields except the email. You see here I just skip the field number 2 because the field number 2 is the email, and check in case I have this kind of pattern, and in fact what I want to avoid is www or https, and avoid to have any kind of links to anywhere in my form. So if you try to use this form, you're gonna see the message cannot contain website addresses. Sorry. So as you can see, using this kind of this easy to use code, I'm gonna have this kind of result. If I come here and write Costas and try to add here HTTPS slash, let's say, info gatelia.gr, and add my email here, test.gr, test.gr, and write anything here. If I'm gonna try to submit the form, I'm gonna see a message that it's preventing me from sending this message, and you see it's red around that. It says that I can use I can use website addresses in my messages. Okay, it's that simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please feel free to like and subscribe. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna try to add this code, the whole of code of this snippet over here to the comment, or even to the description, if I'm gonna be able to do so, because you know, it's a code. But on the other hand, you can easily write down and reproduce this code easily to your website. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.